You paid $600 to service a watch before you even sold it. Honest question, did that $600 come out of your profit? Or did it just vanish into a random expense folder? You know, that folder that quietly lies to you about how much money you're actually making in the business? Here's the trap every tool falls into. Service costs, polishing, getting a new crystal, all of those things get dumped into an expense bucket, off the side, disconnected from the piece. So your per watch margin looks fatter than it actually is. You think a flip cleared $4,000, well, it barely cleared $3,400. But hey, you think it cleared $4,000, so you price the next one off of a number that never even existed. This is exactly how good dealers stay busy and still can't figure out why their bank account just doesn't match the vibe. It's not that the money's getting stolen, it just leaks through the cracks between inventory and expenses. You know, I came out of an accounting heavy software where we helped law firms make sure this didn't happen. And one of the biggest lessons I learned while I was there is that the thing that kills small operators is never sales. It's not knowing their real numbers. So when I built WristBook, I made sure that a service expense doesn't just disappear. Watch where it goes. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to our inventory and let's check out this Omega Speedmaster. Turns out I didn't realize that there was a scratch on the crystal when I bought it, so I have to log a service. So I head over to my log a service button, and right here, what I'm gonna do is crystal replacement. It's gonna cost me $600. The date is today. And I went to David again because that's my homie right there. And I'm gonna put full crystal replacement. And then I'm gonna upload a file here that I got sent by David. And we're gonna go ahead and log that service. So something you'll see here is that the cost basis went up from $5,200 to $5,800. So that money didn't just disappear, it automatically got added to my cost basis of the watch. Meaning there's no mystery folder somewhere in my spreadsheets or Google Docs. It's always logged and it's always placed where it's supposed to be in the cost basis. By doing this exact thing, you never have to think about your repairs and your cost basis and how much was attributed to each watch. It's just a simple button away that you can click through in about 20 seconds. So when I actually go to sell that Speedmaster, my profit is the sale price minus everything I actually put in. The watch and the crystal replacement. Real margin, not a story you tell yourself in April. That repair feature is on our pro tier, which is priced at $79 a month right now for the first 50 users who log into the app. That's right, you get the solo price for the pro membership. So if you're watching this on YouTube, head over to get.wristbook.io to sign up, and hopefully you still have a seat available at the founding dealership table. And if you're actually watching this on our website, go click the Get WristBook button, and I'll see you on your onboarding training call.